Meet the Ulanzi LS26 microphone arm. It's a low profile option at a budget. I decided to go with a microphone arm because I'm always about 1.5 feet away from my Blue Yeti microphone, and it'll sound better when it's even closer. So next step, I'm going to unbox this bad boy over here on my desk and show you how to put it together. Alright, so we're going to get going and open the box. And in the box, you got your microphone arm. You've got a traditional mic holder. Some little adapters for different microphones. There's one over here too. Your strips to cover the wire management. And then you've also got the bracket for the desk. Those are the basic components of this device. And so we'll get started on putting it together. So these are the basic components at a glance. And I was about to say it's so easy, they didn't even have instructions to put it together. It really is almost that easy, but they do have some very basic instructions on the back of the box. And so we're gonna check it out and just go for it. Okay, getting started, this is the desk mount bracket, and you're going to put this little screw on the bottom, and you're going to unscrew it until it can sit on your desk. I don't have to go that far because my desk is not very thick. You're going to cinch it up, and once you cinch it up nice and good, you're going to take the arm. There's a little pivot joint right here. You're going to unscrew this screw until the joint can go in. Tighten it up. And then I'm going to show you how to do the microphone. I've disconnected my Blue Yeti microphone from its holder. Hopefully I don't bump this because this is a live mic so that we can keep the recording going. But now we got to just find the right adapter. Mine's that 5/8 or whatever it is. So take this little 5/8 plate, screw it into the bottom of the microphone. And then, if you see that screw, lines right up perfect. And I noticed the problem is I have a little bit of a limp microphone, so I need to go get a hex wrench to tighten that up. So I went to go find a hex wrench, but I found that there's one hidden inside the box, so that's kind of nice. I cinched up this microphone joint. I also cinched up the arm a little. So now it's pretty stable, it doesn't drop on me, and it's ready to go. It's a very functional mic stand at this time. I'm going to put it where it makes sense on my computer and then try it out. Okay, so I was able to use the mic wire manager, and that's just a series of grooves in here. You can just wind the wire in and out of those grooves to manage the length of the wire. Make sure it stays nice and good on your microphone. You've got these little strips. If you want to cover that over, give it a little cleaner look. I think I'm just going to leave it alone. I'm fine with the way it turned out. So anyway, that is the Ulanzi mic holder, and I think I like it. I think it's going to make things a little easier for me. So I'd recommend you picking one up from either Ulanzi or from Amazon. And we'll catch you in the next video.